Alright guys, so we're back again. Obviously we have QUETZALCOATLUS now. We have the Rebirth right here, the newest one, and we have this from Dominion. It's a, I think it's a gigantic treasure. No sound, it has some buttons, and there's a DNA scan. Yeah. This one's for the wings. I'm not sure about, oh, it's for the beak actually, the one at the bottom. So this is from Dominion. It's a hard wing. And also we have the older one here from Dino Rivals, the first one. Totally different, no buttons on the bottom, but the scan, the fun facts is on its wing. So almost looks the same, but different crest. They keep changing it. And here's the another Rebirth. It is a basic one. Their jaw doesn't articulate. It is those basic ones. Hard, the wings doesn't fold. At least this sweet QUETZALCOATLUS has nice features here. Even it has like folded wings. Alright, so we're gonna bring out the newest one from the Legacy Collection. We got it already.
This is my favorite now.
So it is the Real Fuel Reimagine. So let's check the box first. Look at that, turn around and let's unbox it. Alright. Alright, how do you... Oh wow, there's more over there. Hopefully, no, there's one more down there. My goodness. How do we... Okay. Oh wow. Alright, let's take the box. Here you go, Safarot. Alright, so it says... The wings are really nice though. Look, rubber, soft rubber, has a real feel. And there's the... Wow. The fun fact is not actually covered now. It's just exposed right there. You can move the head articulates. There's the jaw. You push the button. The wings are actually manual. You have to do it yourself. It's not automatic. How do you do this? Oh yeah, there you go. You let it stand.
What?
You fold it, the wings like that, so it would stand by itself. Really cool.
Oh, I didn't do it. I did not.
There. There. See? It stands like that. It's got a tiny tail on the back. There you go. It crawls. Or did I did it wrong? Yeah, there you go. It has to be the hands. Yeah, it's a walk. See, it'll walk that way. It's gonna crawl, attack its enemies. So it looks like a Firebeak QUETZALCOATLUS. Has an orange quill right there. Totally different from the Rebirth version again. So we have another variant of the Quetzal. There's what? We got what, 5 now? So that's cool. Alright, let's check the back. There's the button. Has some nice hairy back or feathers. The wings on the lower part is actually yellow. But over here it's just gray, orange, and white. So let's spread the wings. Let's check the wingspan if it's longer with the Rebirth version. I wish they painted the claw as well, but that's probably a Hammond collection if they do it. So let's see who has a bigger wingspan. It's quite the same, actually. Oh, actually, I don't know. This thing could be wider though. Yeah. When it comes to their faces, actually it's almost the same as well. Right, Safarot? Just
Yeah,
a different paint.
like the line stuff there.
The beak, it looks different there.
Yeah, also like the feather here.
Yeah, this one has a better face for me.
Yeah, I really like this one.
Legacy Collection.
Yeah, I like the feathers too.
Yeah. So yeah, there you have it. Okay. There's the DNA scan, as always. Look at speaker over there, looks really nice. Let's check the mouth. Wow, look at that. Looks real as well. Oh, it has actually rubber. The beak also made of rubber. You can feel it's a little soft. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Another QUETZALCOATLUS for us. So yeah, thanks guys. Enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a good one now. Bye.
Yeah, I noticed it different now. I saw my face a little bit. I got a little worried there.